Well, everyone, it looks like there are a lot of iPhone 13s that are still having a really weird issue, which is actually a display problem. Now, I've seen this in some Apple forums, even on their official website, and I've seen a lot of other YouTubers actually talk about this as well. And it's actually very interesting because I'm really hoping this is actually a software problem. From what I've heard from all the updates that Apple has been pushing out, even past updates, there can sometimes be some random display issues. And in this specific case, it's a pink display issue. So it can range from being pink. There's also some times where the display, I've experienced this personally, where the display will just dim down randomly out of nowhere, and the brightness toggle I will have to readjust it in a way, and then it'll go ahead and brighten up to that display. But there's been many times where the display will randomly just dim down crazy out of nowhere, even though I have auto brightness toggles off. And that happened a lot with my iPhone 12 Pro. With my iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, I have not experienced any crazy display issues, but a lot of people have been experiencing that pink display issue. Now, the big thing and a really big thing to keep in mind is that from what I've heard, iOS 15.4 and or the next couple versions of iOS could actually end up fixing this specific issue. So from what we've kind of heard from Apple, this isn't a hardware problem, which is really good. We never want to be in a situation where we have a device that may have a severe issue that they may have to go ahead and have a service repair program for. The last thing I can even think of is with the iPhone 12 Pro series, they probably need to make a service repair program for that battery. In this case, if it really is a software issue, all Apple will have to do is push out an update, and then that can pretty much fix this issue. But I couldn't imagine buying an iPhone and automatically have it, experiencing some random crazy display issue. That would really taint my experience with getting a brand new iPhone. And that's kind of a big issue when you're buying a brand new iPhone like the iPhone 13. You expect it to be amazing and perfect in every single area, but that's not quite the case in every single time. So in this case, the best thing to do is to pretty much just wait until the update comes out. So iOS 15.4 is probably right around the corner. It may be coming out as soon as next week. And if that ends up being the case, all you will have to do is pretty much wait out until that version of software comes out. At that point, you can go ahead and update your iPhone, and you should be good to go for the most part. If you've been experiencing any type of display issues, or if you know anyone that's experiencing any type of display issues on their iPhone 13, I would recommend you to let them know that it's probably a temporary issue, and as long as they didn't drop their iPhone like crazy, or they didn't throw their iPhone around, then this could end up being fixed literally by a software update, very soon. So that's a pretty big thing to keep in mind. And honestly, like I mentioned, if you know anybody who's experiencing these issues, let them know that an update is on the way and you should be good to go. But it's very weird that these issues are even happening in the first place, in my opinion. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.